Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. So today I wanted to make a little video about the things that I will be using for meal prep, because I don't know about y'all, but I've been struggling lately, and I know the quickest way to get back on track is to meal prep, because it's just easier to have your food ready when it's time to eat. So my biggest struggle with meal prepping has been with lunch, because I've always made it a priority to meal prep dinner and have that done, but lunch has not always been a priority. So I've been watching like other people's YouTube videos and like Pinteresting and doing all of those things, and now it's time to put the plan into action. So I bought a couple of things to help my meal prep for lunch go a little bit easier, and I just wanted to share those with you. So for meal prepping the toddler, I have a Yum box. Okay, so I mean, she doesn't go to daycare yet, but she gets dropped off at someone's house, and I try to have healthy food for her, or some semblance of food for her, because you know, when you drop your kid off at somebody else's house, they'll just give them whatever, because they don't care as much as you do, especially when they want to be fun. So I have this Yum box that I bought right here, and I think this thing is so cute, and I think I might need to get one for myself for snack time. But look, it's got like this cute little tray on the inside, and on the inside of the tray it says like dairy, fruit, veggies, grains, protein, and then it's got like a little sweet thing in the middle here. This is where I usually put like hummus. So like I'll put like string cheese or something, and I'll make a sandwich or like a roll up, and I'll stick it in here. And or it says protein right here, which I usually just put in the sandwich. Like, you don't have to use the tray the way that they say, but it's just a nice way to divide your stuff. And so you can like put the pretzels in here, and or like I put carrot sticks in here for her, and she likes strawberries, so I do put those strawberries and grapes. And you know, it's just a nice way to like divide the lunch, and it's great because the lid snaps shut. It fits flat in most lunch bags, and like you can just put like an ice pack on top, and it just stays cool. And I really love this. I'll link it down below. I think this one was like $22 or something like that, and they go on sale a lot. So just, you can check the website, or you can get this off of Amazon. I got mine off of Amazon, and it was on sale. You know how people run their Amazon sales. But the Yum box, it comes in different colors, comes in different sizes and everything. Like I said, I think I might want to get myself a snack size one. And then I go through a lot of plastic bags and Ziploc bags, and so I thought that I would try these stasher bags. They say cook it, freeze it, store it. It's plastic free and it's reusable, and yo, this thing was not cheap. This was like 10 bucks. I finally found them at Target. I see a lot of people using them before, and so I just thought that it would be kind of helpful. I put fruit in mine, but I see that people have like, this is a very expensive bag to put your toiletries in. Do you see that, yo? People are putting their toiletries in it. But I put fruit in mine. Like, I'll do grapes and I'll stick them in here. Or see, you can use them as sandwich bags. They come in different sizes. Like I said, this size was 10 bucks. And it's microwavable safe. You can boil in it. And it says you can put it in the oven. Dishwasher safe, oven safe, microwavable safe, stovetop plus sous vide, freezer and fridge, and dishwasher safe. So this is just a bag for all of your needs right here. Right now I use it for, like I said, grapes, or I guess I would use that as a sandwich bag, because I do go through a lot of Ziploc bags, and that's not good for the environment, is it? No. See, so that's another thing that I'm trying to be more conscious of. That's why I use reusable cups, reusable water bottles, and I did I don't think I have it in here. No, it's probably in my purse because whatever. I did buy a collapsible straw, which I'm very, very excited about. This is the packaging that the straw came in. So I'm not lying. I actually do have a metal straw
that I've actually used because I'm trying to be better for the environment, which is the reason why I have these meal prep containers, because you go through a lot of stuff. So you can meal prep, be good to yourself, and be good to the environment at the same time.
So the next thing that I got was this bin, it says bent go salad on the go container. Okay, I don't know about you, but I love a good salad. I love a good salad. So I'm gonna go, I saw this on someone else's YouTube channel and I was like, this is perfect for me. Even if I am just eating a salad at home, I can already have it prepped and not have to worry about it. But my big problem is that sometimes I just don't bring my stuff to work with me and I'll just come home and eat, and you know, I could save a little bit of time and just bring it to work. So it comes like this, okay, and it's got these snaps on the side, and in the front it's got this obnoxious sticker on it, which, you know, it's probably going to be hard AF to get off, but we'll worry about that another time. And then it opens up, and then there's a reusable fork. Talk about good for the environment right here. So, and it snaps into place. This is great. You can probably hear my child in the background on the monitor. You know, I have to make sure that I keep the child alive while I make my YouTube videos. Okay, I'm struggling here to put the fork back into place. Okay, it ain't easy, yeah. It's just, okay, we'll just worry about that later. Right now, I need to finish making my video. Okay, so, and then it comes, the next part pulls out like this, okay, and it's got the, I don't know if you can tell, oh look, okay, so it's got the little containers right here. You put your salad dressing in here. So salad dressing goes in here. It's got a snap top lid, fits right here in the middle, but then it's got a place you could put your cheese, your protein right here, and your tomatoes or whatever it is that you like on your salads. How cool is that? And then it's got your salad bowl, so you can just put your greens and stuff in here, put your toppings on it right here, so then when you're ready to eat, you can just dump it in there. Get your salad dressing right there. And then, so this is what I really use it for. I can tell you because I have 2 of them. This is how much I love these. So this is what I would do. I would dump all my stuff in here, put my salad dressing, because, you know, like sometimes I like my salad dressing to be like, okay, it doesn't fit exactly, but it fits enough where you can hold it. I like my salad dressing to like be on every part of my salad, so then you can just shake it, and then have your perfect salad right there. So I love these. I love this right here. I got this off of Amazon. I think it was something like 10 bucks. Totally worth it. You can stick it in the fridge, and I mean, this is the perfect reason to eat a salad, right? You can have everything that you want in your salad and just dump it and go, and it's perfect for carrying. Okay, and the last thing I got was a bent go. I saw this on someone else's channel right here. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There we go. It's a bent go box. Okay, I've never used this before, but I'm very excited to use it this week. Okay, so let's open it up. So it comes with a nifty strap to hold all of it together, so you can just slide it on and slide it off. I just threw the paper away, so let's just see. Reusable, durable, healthy, eco-friendly. We're all about being eco-friendly, right? That's includes strap, built-in plastic, silverware, fork, spoon, and knife. So silver spoon, fork, and knife. Top container fits securely inside the bottom container for easy storage. Okay, I was looking to see, oh, it does say it's dishwasher safe and microwavable safe. That's what I was looking for, to let you know. So it's got a little cute section right here, and there goes, whoa, they don't snap, maybe they do snap in. So it's got like the cute little place for your fork, your knife, and your spoon. Those just came right out, so that is a little alarming, but at least they're there. Okay, so it's got a nice container right here. Like I said, it is microwavable safe, so you can put hot food in here. I guess this would be for like your side items, like if you had some broccoli or some macaroni and cheese, or if you're eating macaroni and cheese for lunch, good for you, man. I love macaroni and cheese, but I have to lay off the cheese sometimes, so I don't ever get that kind of stuff. But if I was gonna give this to Tiny Tot, I would put some macaroni and cheese in there for her. Yes. Okay, so then it's got this next little section where it's got your knife, your fork, and all that kind of stuff. And then it opens up for a larger portion. So this is where I guess you would put like your protein, or I don't know, your rice or whatever, or like you can just have like different things and you can just dump it in there and microwave it all together. And I just think that this is so cute because it's everything that you need. It's microwavable safe, it's a good sturdy plastic. You know, they told us to stop eating plastic, but if you want to be environmentally safe, you know, we don't have many options here, right? So you stack it back together. I'm not putting the silverware in there because I'm just trying to be quick. And then you put the little thing on it and you can carry it to go. And I will link this down below just in case you find something that you want. Now the salad bowls and the bento box come in different colors, and my battery's going dead. So that is the perfect place to end this video. So these are the things that I will be using for meal prep for lunch. If you like something down below, or if you like something, it's gonna be linked down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you meal prep for lunch, because I'm always in need of ideas. That's why I have a problem with prepping lunch. I never have any good ideas. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.